Cynful chicken and rice with broccoli. This is what you'll need to make the recipe, and there is a printable recipe in the video description. Start out with your Instant Pot on saute and hit start. Add the oil and some butter. Go ahead and saute those onions. We're going to cook them until they're starting to get translucent, and then add the mushrooms. Stir those up and let those mushrooms brown a little bit, and then add the garlic and cook it for about 30 seconds or until fragrant. This is the size of the chicken pieces. Just drop those right in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It'll really help me out. We're going to cook that chicken. Well, let's season it first. Season with salt, pepper, and poultry seasoning. And of course, I made that Cynful poultry seasoning, so use that. Stir that in. And then we're going to cook it until it's light on the outside and a little pink on the inside, and then add that wine. Stir it in and let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Soak up all that nice wine into the chicken and the mushrooms and onions. And then add that chicken broth and a can of cream of chicken soup. This is going to make this creamy. This is what gives you that creamy flavor or texture. Stir that all in. Try to get all the big lumps and bumps out. And then add the rice. We're just going to pour that rice in and then spread it around. We're not necessarily stirring, but we're spreading. So don't get in there and get real rough with it. Just kind of spread it around. You can feel it. And then put the broccoli on top. Now, there is instructions if you want a bit more firm broccoli in the notes part of the recipe. Put that top on. Hit cancel. Pressure cook. We're going to bring it on up to 10 minutes. Then hit start. It's going to say on high at first, and then it'll change over to the countdown, just like that. When it gets to 0, just like that, go ahead and press your quick release or turn the valve and release that pressure. When the pan drops, you can open the lid. And it's going to look a little watery at first when you first open it up, but if you stir it up, it's all going to get into that rice and it'll be nice and creamy and thick. Now go ahead and add the cheddar cheese. I added about 2 cups of this, and we're going to let the rice and the chicken and the heat from cooking melt this. We're not turning it on or doing anything else. We're just going to stir. Go ahead and serve it up in a bowl. I also have instructions in the notes part of the recipe how to do this on stovetop. So if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can do this stovetop. Gonna give it a little taste here. Looks really good. There it is on a spoon. And there it is. Your chicken and rice with broccoli. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for this chicken and rice. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It does really help me out in the algorithms. And as always, y'all have a blessed day.